Hi everyone, welcome back to Electronics Geek. I am Ajay. So back with another weekly job updates. So today we have a government opportunities for electronics and electrical candidates. So watch it till the end. So let's begin. So first opportunity is from the Coal India. They are hiring for the management trainee. So electrical, electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and control systems both are eligible for this particular role. So I will not go in depth for other branches. This channel is only for the electronics and electrical candidates. So I will focus on only these two branches. So let's look into the overview. So post name is management trainee. Salary you can expect here is 60,000 to 1,80,000 per month. Job location will be across India. Total 660 vacancies are there. Application mode will be online, and the last date to apply for this is 11 June 2026. So try to apply as soon as possible. Now coming to the selection process. So the selection process will be based upon the computer based test. So it will consist of two papers. The first paper is like general awareness, reasonings, numerical ability and English, and second paper will be related to your core domain. So you will get 3 hours to complete this computer based test. So the application fee for the general OBC EWS candidate is 1000 rupees, and for SC SC PWD candidates there will be no application fee. It's absolutely free for them. So to apply for this, the official link will be in the description. From there you guys can easily apply. So next is from the Indian Army. This is a technical graduate course for engineering candidate. The best part is like you don't have to go through any examination. There will be a direct merit based selection, and after that you have to go through the 5 days SSB and medical examination, which we will see what will be the selection process. Will be around like 56,000 during the training, and training location will be IMA Dehradun, and the 2026 and before batches are eligible. Total 30 vacancies are there. 11 June is the last date. Electrical engineering 2 vacancies are there, and for electronics 6 vacancies are there, and the age limit is like minimum 20 year and maximum 27 year, and there will be no application fee for this role. And here the selection will be based upon your percentage in your BTech degree, and based upon that there will be a shortlisting, and once you get shortlist then there will be a 5 days SSB, and once you go through the SSB and you clear all the SSB, then you have to go through the medical examination, and finally there will be a last merit based upon your performance in the SSB. So to apply for this, just log into www.joinindianarmy.nsc.in. So next one is from the Railway Recruitment Board. This is for the Loco pilot they are hiring. So the initial pay you will be getting about 19,900 rupees per month. So total 11,000 plus vacancies are there. Last date is 14 June 2026. So the student having an ITI certificate or diploma certificate are eligible for this particular role. So here you can see the branches that are eligible for this particular role. Electronics and electrical are also eligible. So the minimum age limit is like 18 year and maximum 30 year, and there will be age relaxation for other categories as well. So you guys can refer to the official notification for that. Coming to the selection process, there will be 4 to 5 rounds. The first one will be like first stage will be computer based test 1, then second will be computer based test 2. The first one will be like general awareness and all they will ask. The second one will be like core domain knowledge, and then will be computer based test. There will be an aptitude test, then document verification, and finally a medical examination. So the application fee for general OBC and EWS is 500 rupees, and for SC ST and female candidate will be about 250 rupees. So to apply for this, you have to log into the official website of rrbapply.gov.in. From here you guys can easily apply, and if you feel any difficulties while filling out this application form, you guys can comment it below. So next is from the Indian Air Force. So this is an AFCAT opportunity, and here the post will be like flying, ground duty technical, and ground duty non-technical. Exam name will be AFCAT, and the salary here you will be getting 56,000 to 1,77,000. Total 340 vacancies are there. Last date to apply is 19 June, so try to apply as soon as possible. So for this BTech candidate are eligible, and 60% and above aggregate should be there. So selection process will be based upon the online test, that is AFCAT, and then there will be 5 days SSB, and then medical examination, and at last there will be a merit list. Based upon that only you will get shortlist. So moving on our last opportunity, so that is from DRDO. They are recruiting for the paid internship program for DEL Dehradun, and here electronics and communication, computer science and mechanical engineers are eligible. For EC like 20 vacancies are there. So this particular DRDO intensive is only for the 2027 batch. So BTech with minimum 70%, and the best part here is there will be no examination. You will get shortlist directly based upon your merit, means the percentage you have received in your BTech semesters. So last date to apply for this is 30th June 2026. So how you need to apply for this? So you need to download this official notification, drdo.gov.in. Here you can see, and this is the page number 3, and this one is your application form. So this application form you need to download. This form you need to download and fill out the details, and you need to do speed posting to this particular address. Means you need to fill out the application form, then you need to send your application to this particular address. Okay, and you also need the NOC letter from the college. So this is the draft. They have already shared the NOC letter. You need to print it out on the college letterhead. Okay, so you need to fill out these details and you need to send this along with your application form. So these are the top 5 government openings. So try to apply as soon as possible before application get closes. And if you feel any difficulties while filling out this application form, do let me know in the comment section. And for more opportunities like this, please like and subscribe to YouTube channels.
This video is made for educational purposes only.